Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the like button. So today we are going to see how to create a YouTube channel and basic settings required for it. So it will be like three-step process. First you need to create a Google account, then you need to create a YouTube channel and few settings. That's it. So stay tuned and watch the entire video. So let's see how to create a Google account. Just type google.com, then click on sign in button. So we are creating a new account, so create account button, then enter your details like first name, last name, and the preferred email address. So I'm putting it as pdtechipd555@gmail.com. You can add as per your preference. Also add your password and confirm password, then click on next. So here phone number is optional, so I'm skipping it. So I'm just adding a date of birth and gender. Click on next then. So here is a pop-up for Google privacy terms, so just check all the check boxes and click on create account. Just click on confirm. So this is how your Google account is created. Now to create a YouTube channel, just go to the youtube.com and from the menu click create channel, click on get started. So here you just choose the preferred one, add your channel name. So I'm adding it as PD Technical. You can add it as per your preference, and this can be modified as well later on. Then accept the terms and click on create. So once the channel is created, it will ask for few details as well, like upload your logo, then channel description. So just click on upload picture and select your channel icon, and then scroll down and add about your channel. So this should be related to your channel, like what your channel is all about, so what user will find, what kind of videos user will find on your channel. So I'm adding this description. So once you add it, scroll down, click on save and continue. So then click on customize channel. So on this page you can modify your channel icon, so I am keeping it as same. You can modify it. Then again there is an option to add the channel art, so click on channel art and choose your channel art. You can upload it or you can choose it from gallery, so I'm adding it mine. Also you can crop it just for the display preferences, and then select the device previews and then click select. So this is how your logo and channel art is updated. Now click on about. So we already added the description. Now we are adding inquiry email address, so add your email address. So it can be your different address as well, but I'm keeping it as same, techipd555@gmail.com. Then click on done. Again you can set the location for your channel, so I'm keeping it as United Kingdom. You can select your country. So now go to the menu and open your YouTube Studio. Cancel it. Search for setting. So in this pop-up you will find basic settings like general. In the general there is a currency, So you can set the currency. I'm letting it as USD, then click on channel. So here again you can change your channel name, and there is an option to add the keywords, so which is very important. So you can add keywords which are related to your channel. So this is very important for the SEO ranking, so add it carefully. Again, you can change the country as well. Then there is option upload default, so this is applicable for all the videos, so whatever videos you are uploading, so this setting will be applied by default to all the videos. And click on advanced settings. So here you can modify or change or set channel category. This is again important, so it should be related to your content. Yeah, that's it. Just click on save. So guys, this is how your YouTube channel is set up, and you can now upload your videos. Thanks for watching. If you are still waiting to subscribe, please click on subscribe button.